Hello guys! Nandito kami para i-share yung food na ito. Ayoko kasing magbigay ng maling informasyon sa pagkain na ito kasi ito yung religious na pagkain na galing pa talagang ibang probinsya dito sa India at dinala ng auntie niya. Kaya nandito yung partner ko para ma-explain about sa food na yan. Okay.
So there are four kind of different sweets in here. One is bundi ka laddu, another is a magas, another is mohantar, and another is a thor. So all these food specially made for the gods, and this food called specific name, it's called prasad. And I have more explanation about these sweets at the end of the video. You can watch till the end and you will figure it out why we send this prasad to everyone. And then once this prasad come to us, we give to our friends and family in a small packaging, so everybody get the blessing from the God.
Kaya panoorin nyo hanggang dulo guys kasi nandoon yung explanation ni Darshan Patel. Thank you. Ito yung tinutukoy ng aking partner na Indiano na pagkain na relihusong pagkain. Kumbaga sa Bisaya pa is magamhanan nga pagkaon. Ganyan lang po ang ginagawa. Kailangan bilog-bilugin nyo lang. Siyempre, guys, naghugas sila ng kamay bago nila ginawa yan, okay? At saka normal naman po talaga dito sa India na kinakamay ang mga pagkain. Then, ayan po, binibilog-bilog sila. Then, kung nakikita nyo may mga supot-supot, kasi nga po, binibigay po yan sa mga kaibigan at sa mga kamag-anak para mabigyan din po sila ng blessing. Kasi mismo ang gumawa nito is ang pare. Kaya ito yung explanation ng aking partner na
India. Sea side of the Yamuna, they have two gods born over there. Kaya Srinathji and Yamunaji. So to please that God, this food is for that God, okay? So what we do when she go there, she give all the raw material to this specific guy. The specific priest, he make all this food for the God. But once this food is prepared, it's packed on the bamboo utensils, right? And it's covered with the cloth. Nobody can see. You can only see the food once you start prayer, and the curtains will lift up in front of the God. Only that time you can see the food. Apart from that, nobody can see the food while the food is transported to the temple, right? So that's why this food is very tasty and precious. Yeah.
At ito na guys, ready na ipamimigay sa mga kamag-anak at pamilya. Thank you for watching!